Hello everybody, and welcome to Random Things Reviewed. This week, we're going to be reviewing this little IKEA desk toy. So, picked this up in my local Goodwill for about $3 right over there. Let's just get it going. The first thing I noticed about this was it's very oblong shaped. Like, it doesn't really have a set shape to it. It's kind of like a diamond up here with a weird taper. I don't know, kind of like a panda would be. The next thing about it is it kind of resembles a panda, but at first glance I had to take a little second look. I guess it's kind of a caricature of a panda. I wouldn't have designed this myself, but to each its own. So, the next thing that I want to do is I want to plug it in and just give you a little bit of a demo of what it actually does. So the plug-in is right back here. I don't necessarily like it because it just kind of looks a little bit off. Alright, we got it plugged in here now. I just tap this top and it turns to different colors. It kind of cycles through a rainbow. Got that purple there. I don't know, I guess it would look pretty cool on a desk or wherever you want to put it. If you want to go and pick up an IKEA Panda. Yeah, that's a good color. That would really light up a room. I think it's going to go to green here really soon. Oh, it looks like it started over. That's okay. But yeah, that's the IKEA Panda desk light thing. And this has been Random Things Reviewed.